If your arpeggios are still feeling clunky and uneven, it's not because your fingers are slow, it's because you're missing these 3 essential techniques. These changed everything for me, and once you lock them in, your speed will explode. So let's get into it. First, you want to keep the arm moving in a smooth motion. A lot of times students will stop kind of like this or have these awkward motions that disrupt the flow. And so first, before even playing, just imagine your arm is sort of on a conveyor belt going back and forth. This is the motion that you want when you play the arpeggio. 1 smooth motion each direction. Second, you want to tuck the thumb under just a little bit, because if you don't, you're going to be forced to do one of these jumpy motions that once again will disrupt that fast legato flow. I'll show you from this angle so you can see my thumb. So a little tuck in here. And you want to make sure you're doing that early, because even though we're doing it slow right now, once it's at the faster speed, we don't have time to delay. And number 3 is to watch for what I call the jump spot. In any arpeggio you play, there's going to be one interval, a larger interval, that's going to be too awkward to play with a true finger legato. For example, with a C major arpeggio, the distance from the G to the C, I can't do this at a fast speed with a true finger legato without it being incredibly awkward. So we're going to do a little trick to address this. We're going to actually jump from here to here. Our tucked thumb is going to help with this, but we're going to do it fast enough to hide the fact that we're not playing a true legato. So even though we're not playing legato, we're creating the illusion of legato. So demonstrating that slowly, jump. So notice that you might have heard the tiniest bit of space, but once it's fast, nobody hears that we're just jumping from here to here. But again, if you attempt a finger legato there, it's going to slow you down. If these tips helped, I have another video right here where I dig into the 1 piano finger exercise you really need to bring your speed and control to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.